Now the recipe is available in 138 languages. Turn on the caption, CC, for the same. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get the updates of my latest recipes. Chocolate sponge cake preparation. 2 tablespoons butter. 3 tablespoons oil. 1 egg. Mix well. 1 teaspoon vanilla powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon coffee powder. 1 cup caster sugar. 1½ cup all-purpose flour. 3 teaspoons cocoa powder. 2 teaspoons corn flour. Mix well. 1 cup milk, add gradually. One tablespoon oil. Half a teaspoon baking soda. 1 teaspoon baking powder. Mix it nicely. Do not overmix. Tap it. Bake in preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Cover and keep for 30 minutes. Cut into slices. Chocolate pudding preparation. 2 cups milk. 2 tablespoons corn flour. 2 tablespoons cocoa powder. 1 teaspoon vanilla powder. 1/3 cup sugar. 1/4 cup chocolate syrup. Cook on slow flame by continuously stirring. ½ cup fresh cream. Cook till it thicken and smooth. 1 cup milk chocolate or dark chocolate, chopped. Turn off the flame and stir it till chocolate melt. 2 tablespoons butter. Mix well and keep aside. Chocolate ganache preparation. ½ cup hot fresh cream. ½ cup chopped dark chocolate. Mix until chocolate melt. Chocolate ganache is ready. Assembling. Arrange the cake slices. 1 cup milk mix with 2 tablespoons sugar. Pour the milk over the cake. Now pour the chocolate pudding. Chocolate ganache. Pour the chocolate ganache. Sprinkle some cocoa powder. Sprinkle some grated dark chocolate. Enjoy your heavenly chocolate-rich cake. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.